Hello, Facebook Live. What's happening? Marcus here, in a very special place right now. What city are we in?
Gioia del Colle.
Okay, you can pronounce it better than I. I'm here with Ilaria, and I'm here with Jamie, and there's Vito, the owner. You wanted to tell us where we're at?
We're in Gioia del Colle, in Pastificio del Colle, and I'm Ilaria, he's Vito, the owner of Pastificio del Colle, and today we're doing Lingua Summer. It's a particular pasta, handmade, with natural colors and 100% garum semolina. As you can see here, Francesco is doing lingua. It's a spiral movement with hands. It's totally handmade, unless the process of cutting.
Folks, this is handmade pasta right here. This is a small company that does it right. You know how strict I am with companies that don't make real food. This right here, folks, is amazing to watch this. We're outside of, how far are we from Bari? Half an hour? 45 minutes? 45 minutes from Bari, so we're in the south still. This is considered a Puglia. So we're Puglia. This is the south of Italy. And look at them making by hand here. They're rolling this, twist this by hand. Handmade pasta.
They're doing zebra, I think.
This is the blue color, correct?
Yes, it's blue. It's a mixture of spirulina and apple.
So this is all
natural.
All natural. Spirulina and apple make this unique blue color. Because anybody who knows me knows I'm against food colors and fillers and all that kind of stuff. So for me to put my seal of approval on something, it has to be legitimate. So this is really an awesome experience, watching all this pasta being made here. There's the sheeter. All the flour is from Italy. So be careful, folks, when you do buy Italian pasta, because sometimes the products might not be from Italy, they might be made in Italy. Here we're dealing with true Italian flour, Italian products, Italian made. So this, and again, we're about 45 minutes outside of Bari in the south in Puglia. And this is all, look at this handmade pasta. They make so many, how many different pastas do you make?
More than 40 shapes.
More than 40 shapes of pasta come out of this small production facility. There's the sheeter over there making. And this is layering pasta, right? Yeah. So here they're layering pasta, which is going to get the different color effect, right? That's that.
Yeah.
So they have to layer each color. And look at that. Wow. Then that goes through the sheeter. Who's hungry? I know I'm getting hungry. I'm getting very hungry. And we do have this pasta at the restaurant, not this particular shape, but we do have this pasta from time to time at the restaurant. And you bet that we're going to have a lot more of it now that I've actually been here checking out this operation. So as soon as we hit the parking lot, you could smell just the pasta smell, the fresh pasta smell was very prevalent in the parking lot.
Marika, for example, she's doing zebra. She's doing white, so the traditional durum wheat and water, and the black is cuttlefish, black ink.
Black ink cuttlefish, okay. Squid ink cuttlefish.
Yeah.
So thank you everybody for tuning in. We got several people watching right now, all the way from New York to Washington State. There's people watching. We are in Italy. We're on location at a pasta manufacturer, pasta producer. And how long will this pasta dry now?
From 24 to 38 hours. It depends on dump.
The weather outside.
Yeah.
If it's raining, if it's dry, up to 38 hours. And Jim's tuning in. It's 4 a.m. in Washington State right now, and Jim is watching. 4 a.m., Jim. Good job, Jim. So, very, very cool, folks. We are going to hopefully eat some pasta here at some point. Look at all those. And again, all natural coloring. Spinach. Beet. Is that one beet?
No,
Paprika.
it's paprika. This is
Paprika, beet. They make a yellow one from turmeric. All right, folks, I'm going to...
All products are tried slowly at low temperature for about 24 to 38 hours at a temperature of maximum 46 degrees to preserve organoleptic features of pasta.
Okay. Okay, great. So very low temperature drying. I'm assuming other companies do a higher temperature? Big production companies do higher temperatures? Is that what happens? Yeah.
Yes.
So
here you can see the yellow and the violet.
And the violet is from what?
Beetroot.
Beetroot. That's beetroot. And that's turmeric.
Yellow, it's turmeric. Yeah.
Turmeric. Wow. You can go on Francesca, if you're watching, I don't know if you're watching, Francesca, drop your link to your company where people can buy this in the United States, because this stuff is available in the United States. That's how I found it. I will drop a link, or Francesca will drop a link to where you can actually purchase this pasta right here in the United States. There's several different, you said you made 40 different ones. There's, I don't know, 6, 7 different ones maybe available in the US from Francesca. Francesca is a friend of ours who imports amazing products from Italy, including olive oil, and some amazing balsamics, and 100% must vinegars. So Francesca will drop that link if she's watching. We'll get her to go in and comment. And folks, I am going to continue the tour here with Ilaria and Vito. And Vito is the boss here. He's been here 21 years. He's been making pasta here. So, all right, folks, that's it. We'll be at a winery in a few hours. In Gravina, at an amazing winery there, a winery that we buy from, of course. If you want to be in Italy with us next year, this time, doing things like this, go to VIPwineryvacations.com, $4,200 a person based upon double occupancy, and you can be traveling the Italian countryside with Jamie and I, doing things like this, meeting people like Vito, eating amazing food. Jamie and I are here right now putting our personal stamp on everywhere we're going, from hotels to the vineyards to all other kinds of excursions. So if you want to be with us next year, VIPwineryvacations.com, 647-3000, call us. We do a payment plan for equal payments, no interest, and we're going to be sold out by New Year's Eve, folks. And if you want to literally tour the Italian countryside, southern Italy with Jamie and I, jump on board. We'd love to have you. Matera, which we spent the night in last night, is mind-blowing. Lecce was amazing the night before. We're going to head up to the Amalfi Coast here in another day or so. We're going to try to hit Pompeii. We're hitting more wineries. We're doing a bunch of cool things, folks. So jump on board, and we'd love to have you in Italy. $42.50 a person. While that lasts, we can only take 24 people. And we'll see you on the next Facebook Live. Thank you, Jim, for waking up. I hope you were waking up and not going to bed at 4 a.m. Jim's a restaurateur friend. Jim, you need to come on these tours with us. And all right, folks, thanks for tuning in. We appreciate it. We'll talk to you later.